Boolean problems. Since we all always face these problems, as I try to bool these two objects together or meshes, but I am unable to do this. As I will try to do the bool, see, I still see some inverted faces. So how to fix this problem? Now you will see how I will fix this problem.
I will adjust this mesh. For that I need to go edit mode and focus on this only mesh by pressing slash button. And in edit mode now I will be fixing this mesh as you can see right now. I go single vertex by vertex, trying my best to make it look like a solid object rather a plane. As with plane you can have problems. Later in the video I will show face orientation, where you will see inverted faces fixed. Otherwise, if not fixed, then the same previous problem would occur again. So always try to fix your mesh before Boolean union of two meshes. Subscribe to my channel for more content like these.